Hi, we are team number 4 and we are going to expose our project for STEM hydroelectric power generator.
We want to build an hydraulic power generator able to produce clean and renewable electricity in our cities. Our state deals with a lot of pollution problems and they are increasing every day due to the amount of industry and cars, so it means that more ways to obtain energy are needed. The power generator is intended to help with the pollution and energy problems, helping the environment and our communities. The benefits depend on a lot of factors. The main goal is to reach a conclusion about the electric power generator and what it can bring as a long-term plan.
A hydroelectric generator is a machine that creates energy by taking advantage of gravity. By using moving parts that act on water flowing through an elevated vertical shaft called a penstock, it converts kinetic energy from flowing water into electric power.
The cost and financing depend on 6 main factors. The 6 main factors are the initial investment cost, the operation and maintenance, the decommissioning cost, the plant factor, the useful economic life of the investment, and the cost of financing the project. These 6 main factors were here shown on the table. The initial investment is 2,000 millions of pesos. The operation and maintenance cost is 600 millions of pesos. The decommissioning cost is not considered since the life of an hydraulic power generator plant normally is between 25 and 40 years, so this is not considered since this is a long-term thing that maybe will not make the power generator stop working. The plant factor is 200 millions of pesos. The useful economic life of the investment is 800 millions of pesos, and the cost of financing the project is 140 millions of pesos. The financing can be on different ways. One of the most important one is the ISR law that benefits the companies that want to invest, since it is if they invest and they use the ISR law, their tax deductible will be less, and it will also benefit our project. Also, the government said that they will invest in projects on this type, since it is also for renewable energy and it will help the country. Also, we are open to donations and mostly from companies and factories.
Okay, so the benefits. If we convince the government to invest in the implementation of a hydraulic power generator, the objectives and benefits we have for the project will be fulfilled not only for our generation, but also for many generations onward. For example, a goal from the IHA, or International Hydropower Association, of supplying our country with 35% of power generation through clean energy by 2024 will be helped to be achieved. The government, by investing in a hydraulic power generator with the capacity of approximately 100 megawatts, around 4 million pesos per week, will take 17 years to be able to have the energy for free. This will be without any maintenance. Also, the hydroelectric power is the most renewable source of energy in the whole world. It also helps develop the land, and also the energy bills in our city will decrease in some years by using this type of energy.
As for the location of the project, the hydraulic power generator was and is thought to be executed in a generally local area. This means two things. First, the power generator must be built near a body of water so that it works, such as a river, dam, or any other place where there is significant water movement. The thought place for this is in the Rio Bravo.
The general objective is having a state with more clean energy generators, and also managing or helping the reduction of pollution in our country. We will give more options for going green in an affordable, long-term, and beneficial way for our state. Our hypothesis is that if we implement a new hydraulic power generator plant, then people in our state will have a more beneficial and also sustainable way to receive energy.
For the experiment or the investigation made, there was a comparison between the benefits that we already investigated and a survey about the general knowledge that citizens may have about this project. So the procedure for this project was first to investigate and estimate the cost that the plant may have based on the megawatts. Then, once the information was gathered, we established the questions and then we start doing the survey being applied to the citizens. Then we send the survey to the considered people and then we retrieve the results of the survey. As the final result, we start to making the comparison with the previous gathered information.
Thanks to the survey and the research we had already done, we found that there are a few people our age that still haven't heard much about hydropower, but they're willing to see the benefits of it if thought about the topic.
In conclusion, most people would like to change to cleaner and more sustainable ways to produce electricity. This project will be able to help with this, leaving an effective way to get energy for our future generations. Though, more information about the electric power generators are needed, so that everyone is completely aware of what we are intending to do, reducing the pollution and increasing the green energies.
Thank you and have a nice day.